I never believed in aswangs. I mean, I've never seen or felt anything weird in my life. But that changed one Tuesday night in July 2022. I had just moved back home to Camaligan, Camarines Sur, since we were allowed to work from home. My workstation was in the kitchen, conveniently close to the food, of course. It was around 2 a.m., and I was in a Zoom meeting. I had my noise canceling headset on, so outside sounds were basically muted. But then, I started hearing faint thuds on the roof. Just soft at first. Meeting ends. I take off my headset. Boom! The sound was way louder than I thought. And it didn't stop. Now I know what cats sound like on rooftops, and this was not a cat. It was too heavy. Like someone was walking back and forth. But what creeped me out was that the footsteps weren't normal. They were aggressive, like it wanted to smash through our roof. 30 minutes passed, still there. So I woke up my mom and said, "Ma, hindi pusa yan, iba yan. Ano ba talaga yan?" She just calmly said, "Hayaan mo na lang. Dinadaanan lang ang bahay natin." I joked, "So, aswang?" She smiled. Oo. I was like, tangina. Instead of being scared, I got mad. I shouted at the rooftop, "Hoy, kapag hindi ka umalis, hahanapin kita. Hindi ako takot mamatay. Kung gusto mo ng patayan, game. Sisirain mo pinagawa ko, wala ka namang pambayad." Then it got worse. The stomping became louder, stronger. I grabbed my ITAC and airsoft gun. I was ready to go outside and fight, but my mom stopped me. I sharpened the blade loudly, just so it would hear me. And I shouted again, "Last warning! Kapag hindi ka tumigil, hindi ka naaabot ng umaga, hayop ka." And then, silence. But the smell that followed, it was indescribable, rotten, damp, something not human. The next day, I installed strong lights and 5 CCTVs around the house. According to my neighbors, they know who the aswang is. But no one would tell me. Not even my mom. Apparently, I've already met the creature, might have crossed paths with them before. Creepy, right? Well, I believe now, and I'm never taking off my headset again.